Hola a todos, ¿qué tal? Soy Silafe, bienvenido a mi canal. So this weekend my hair is going to be a little bit different. I want to take you guys a little bit more in depth into my personal life so you can kind of get an idea and a reasoning why I do my hair the way I do it some days, especially this week. I just got off of work. I'm an assistant to a fashion designer for those of you guys who didn't know. It's 5:19 and I'm actually going to head to Sunder Kesh's showroom. If you guys don't know what Sunder Kesh hair is, it is the hair company that I've been working with recently. I love their hair. I will link a few videos that I've done with their hair already. One I did a 30-inch ponytail and another one I did clip-ins. Now I'm going to get some bundles that I'm going to get installed at the end of the week, so I'm really excited for that. And then also I'm going to show you guys some of the other hair that they offer. So yeah, let's go pick up my bundles and I will show you guys the showroom shortly. So we are in the showroom for Sunder Kesh hair, and I was actually mispronouncing it. It's pronounced Sunder Kesh, but you can see that there are so many options for textures, lengths, colors. She literally has everything. This is one of my favorites. It is a hat wig, and she's going to be getting different styles of hats so you can play with, but I think that's perfect for your holiday shopping. On this other wall, you'll see even more textures and colors and ponytails. I actually did a ponytail review like I mentioned earlier, so I'll have that video linked down below. Wigs. So the great thing about Sunder Kesh is that you're able to customize your hair, which the owner will talk about in a second. So she's a double minority, and that's one of the things that I love about this brand too. But the quality of the hair just feels really nice. It wears well. She was showing me some of the wigs she has. I'm thinking about trying the bob wig next. What do you guys think about me in a bob? Let me know in the comment section below. And having your own factory, like what advantages does that give you?
Well, it gives me advantages like, well, number one, I can control what I want.
Okay.
So like if you say I want all of those colors in my wig, I can do that.
Oh, wow.
You know what I mean? So
Okay.
if you say, hey, I want some clip-ins, but I want them to be this color.
Mm-hmm.
Then I can say, okay, I can give you this color. Plus, I can really do the consistency. I can control it.
Okay.
So I can be very consistent. So most of the times, the problem is people buy hair and they switch hair.
Mm-hmm.
So when when you buy your hair again, it may not be the same hair that you got last time.
Okay. I
I can guarantee you that if you buy from me, you're going to get the same quality that you asked for the first time. All right.
So this is my hair.
Ooh,
You got some nice packaging. Thank you. So I got 3 bundles. And I have a 20, a 20, and a 20. Which is what I requested. I got which one is this? The
Body wave.
body wave.
Body wave.
Yep, I wanted it to be like
Body
this.
wave, yeah.
I'm excited. Alright guys, so I just got home, took my hair out of this bun, and it's in a blow dry state right now. That's why it's this full. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Camille Rose Growth Serum to moisturize my scalp. Let's see if I can get that to focus somewhat. And then I'm going to add this tea tree oil, which you don't need to add because this growth serum actually already has tea tree oil. It also has virgin almond oil, virgin sesame seed oil, coconut oil, jojoba, olive, macadamia oil. It has so many great oils in here. Like, this is really all you need. But if you do want to add peppermint oil like I'm about to do, then this is good to help stimulate the scalp as well to promote hair growth. And so once I moisturize my scalp, I'm just going to pop in the shower because my pores are going to open up and my hair follicles are going to open up a little bit, and that's going to just help the product to penetrate through my hair. And as I'm oiling my hair, I'm going to play some music because that helps me just take my time with making sure that I'm coating all of my strands and my scalp. And my favorite artist is Masego. I discovered him while I was living in Barcelona, and I've just been hooked ever since. He actually just released a virtual concert today on YouTube called Studying Abroad. But if you are a fan of Masego or listen to any of his music, I would love to know that for real, because I just always love talking about him and love finding people who know about him too. He's become a lot more mainstream than from the Masego I knew, but he will always be my all-time favorite artist. But yeah, let me stop rambling about him because I can go on, and I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp. What's up, you guys? So it's the end of the next day, and I just put my hair in a little bun today, and I put a headband on top, but it's on the struggle bus. I forgot to put on deodorant today, and I can smell the stress of the day right now. So I'm just gonna moisturize my hair today, the ends of my hair, with the, let's get this to focus, the ORS hair fertilizer. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and seal in that moisture with the Camille Rose Nibs and Honey hair growth serum. And I'm trying to use this sparingly because I'm almost out of it, but I'm definitely going to order some more of it. I was thinking about just kind of sprucing up my ponytail so that way I could do this video for this modeling agency today who wants to see my runway walk, but I'm not in the mood. I'm going to try to see if I can push it off to doing it this weekend. So I'm going to make myself look a lot more presentable than how I'm looking right now. But yeah, this is what I'm going to do to my hair tonight, and I will see you guys tomorrow. What's up? So today is the day I get my hair done. I'm super excited. Yesterday I didn't film just because I basically just put that hair fertilizer on my head and call it a day. But I just washed my hair with the Oilplex shampoo. I really like that shampoo. I always find that I get really good results after I straighten my hair with the Oilplex products. But anyway, I'm actually going to do a protein treatment right now. I have a whole video of me doing the Afro G protein treatment, so I'll link that down below. But I'm going to do that real quick. I'm going to sit under the dryer, do all that stuff, then blow dry my hair, and then get ready and go because I'm running a little behind. What's up, guys? So it's the next day. I just got home from work not too long ago, and I had a little photo shoot at work, I guess. Just took some pictures of a few things, and I played with my hair a bit. I just lightly wand curled it and brushed it out. So this is the hair. It's amazing. I got so many compliments today. Even the girl who was sewing in my hair was like, this hair is amazing, and she was like, the bundles are really thick, the wefts are thick, so you're not going to get any shedding. Also, when I came home, I had to do like a little runway walk video for an agency because I'm trying to get signed right now. So that's what I just finished up, and I'm going to get ready and go to bed. No, not go to bed. I'm going to get ready for bed. And in terms of how I am going to, I guess, sleep with this hair, I'm still trying to figure it out. I still need help with trying to figure out which product I need to get to maintain my curly hair so that I could just wake up in the morning, brush it, and be on my merry way, as opposed to me having to rewind curl it in the morning. So let me know if you have any suggestions on what kind of mousse or what I need to do to maintain like this curly wavy weave. But I'm gonna figure out a way to sleep with this hair so that way when I wake up it is just boom, ready to go. So it's the next day, and I just want to do nothing today because I don't have work today, but I have a lot I need to do. So I'm gonna rush through this little spiel quickly because I'm running out of memory on this camera. I had decided as well I am going to wait till probably after like after the new year to try to buy a new camera, because I was going to buy one during Black Friday, but it was still a little too expensive for me, and my money right now is kind of really tied up with this little purse thing that I'm doing, which I think I've mentioned to you guys already, but I have been making bags and selling them. I was planning on kind of announcing it through here, but I've been selling them too quickly that I don't have the stock yet to really release it so that way I can get it to you guys in a reasonable amount of time. However, it's dark. Okay. However, I'm using these chains. They're like these really big, thick chains, so that's kind of been my little competitive advantage there. And let's see. So today I'm going to work. I have to budget out my money because I have to get a lot of materials. So that a lot of orders over the weekends for the bags. I've been selling them through my job. So yeah, my sister's gonna help me with trying to budget my money out for that. I need to clean my room. I need to film a couple of YouTube videos and try to pre-schedule them because next weekend I have to work. So yeah, I'm gonna try my hardest to get all this stuff done today. I have to submit some more photos and a video to a modeling agency. So right now it's 12 o'clock because I've been lazy all morning. I did do online church this morning, but yeah, that's gonna be my day. And this evening I'm gonna give myself a facial, so I'll show you guys how I do that, how I wrap up my hair to make sure it doesn't get all frizzy and stuff. So I will check in with you guys later. I did straighten the hair. As you can see, the hair is still phenomenal. And I only straightened it just because I didn't feel like trying to figure out how to recurl it. But if you guys have any tips for me on how to maintain the curly hair, let me know so I can start wearing it curly again. And when you guys saw me kept looking over to the side, that was me looking at my to-do list. I try to update this every weekend because I give myself to-do lists on the weekends. But yeah, I will check in with you guys later. Alright, so it's the end of the day. It was a rough one for me because on the weekends I just want to be lazy, but I never can be lazy on the weekends because I have stuff to do. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, so it just took a lot of Sierra, like, just try to push through, try to film, and then the fact that I had to get this stuff into this modeling agency, that took me some time because it was another thing. I was just like, I don't feel like standing here taking photos. But anyway, everything is done and now I get to relax a little bit. So I have my steamer actually heating up now. This steamer is a hair steamer and it is a facial steamer. I have been using the facial steamer for like the past 3 weeks. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. In addition to the hair steamer, I tried that out once. Obsessed with the hair steamer. I think the steamer is one of the best investments you can make next to the hooded hair dryer. So what I want to do now is give myself my little weekly mini facial. This is nothing very special. This is just kind of something that I do to treat myself. So what I first need to do is wrap up my hair. So that way I'm making sure not to get it frizzed up. And with my weave, all I've been doing is just putting the hair in the loose ponytail, putting the bonnet over top, and then in the morning I will run the straightener through it because I really could care less about the health of my weave. But on my leave out, I always just separate it to make sure that I'm not putting heat on that part more than once a week. And what I want to do now is wrap my hair here so that way I'm not getting any contact from the steam onto my edges and leave out. I like to tie it really tight. What I would usually do if I have my real hair out is put this all in a bonnet as well, but again, don't really care about this part of it, so because it's a weave. Then what I like to do is just stick my head on top of the facial steamer, and that's going to help to start to break up the oils and this makeup that's on my face. I'm going to keep my head up here for about 30 seconds. And I see I got some hair left out. So I damp my hands a little bit. I usually wash my face with the CeraVe. I forget the exact name of it, but I'll have it linked down below. But they ran out, so I just picked up the Cetaphil Gentle Foaming Cleanser. I like this one, but I do like the CeraVe, however you pronounce it, a little bit better. But I do know that my face likes foaming cleansers more than other cleansers. And when I wash my face, I wash it for 60 seconds. So let me count. Alright, so that was 60 seconds, and then I'm going to take my little silicone facial pad. I'm just going to get right at where my hairline and forehead meet, so that way I am not really getting any water or soap there, but still cleaning it off, so that way I'm not reverting my edges. So on the days I'm not wearing makeup, I'll cleanse my face for 60 seconds, but the days I do have on makeup, I like to double cleanse. So this time around, I also take like 4 to 5 pumps too. This time around, I'm going to cleanse my face again for 60 seconds, but this time I'm going to do it on top of the steamer. So that way my pores are continuing to open up, so that way I'm getting everything that's inside out. Alright, so that's 60 seconds. I'm going to rinse this off with warm water. So initially I was going to use the European Clay powder mask, I use this one all the time. But I actually think I'm going to go ahead and use the Soothies one. I love this one. It is an absorbent mask that helps with oily skin. And the great thing about this one is that it is like a light exfoliant. And when you wake up the next day, you'll see all the impurities that were in your skin, like it pops out. So you may wake up in the morning with some whiteheads, but that's a good thing because this was helping to draw it out of your skin. Turn it off, and I'm gonna let this sit on my face for like 30 minutes, wash it off, and then that'll be it. So this is going to be the end of the week in my hair. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully in the next video I'll have a little bit more me doing my hair, but also wanted to give you guys a little look into my personal life. Let me know if you guys like this video by giving it a thumbs up. If you like to see more of my personal life mixed in with the weeks in my hair, I'll begin to do more videos like this. Y bueno, hasta el video próximo.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.